Okay, now we're looking at number 38. It's the antiderivative of x times 3x plus 8 to the 11th dx. So even though this is a polynomial, you really do not want to have to expand that 3x plus 8 to the 11th. So let's try letting u equal that. Well, what happens though is du becomes just 3 dx. So you can replace the dx with du over 3, and then you can replace the 3x plus 8 with u, but you'll still have this x right here. So when you have a problem like that, what you want to do is come back in here and say, all right, well, if u equals 3x plus 8, then I could solve that for x, and I'll get u minus 8 divided by 3 equals x. So now this is what I'll put in for x. Then u will be replaced in here. I'll put a u in here. And then instead of dx, I'll put du over 3, because I'll divide both sides by 3 here to replace dx. And so, of course, the du over 3 means I can just bring it 1/3 out in front. So I'll have a 1/3. I'm going to do the integral. Instead of x, I'm going to have u minus 8 over 3 times u to the 11th du. And I can take this is, since I'm dividing by 3, that's just dividing by, it's like multiplying by 1/3, so I can really think of this as 1/9 antiderivative, u minus 8 times u to the 11th du. And now I can use the distributive property on this. Still haven't done an integral yet, I'm just using some algebra skills to clean this up. U to the 12th minus 8u to the 11th du. And now I will use the power rule, so this is 1/9 u to the 13th over 13 minus 8u to the 12th over 12, and then plus c. And I need to replace what u is equal to on that, and I can do some cleaning up with that as well. What was u equal to? U is equal to 3x plus 8. So I can say this is 1/9 3x plus 8 to the 13th over 13 minus, I'm going to reduce that, 4 goes into both of those, so that's 2/3 3x plus 8 to the 12th, and then plus c. And then if I wanted, I could go through and distribute the 9. And so 9 times 13 is 117. So this is 3x plus 8 to the 13th power over 117, and then minus, see, that'll be 2/27 times 3x plus 8 to the 12th power, and then plus c.